I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin slowly moving to the upside. We talked about how important it was for the bulls to hold this level, the support level here, which you had a bear trap previously and another bear trap previously, and the bulls stepped in and held this level. So the next big test is this overhead resistance. You see how the price action came down here and bounced as support, bounced as support, bounced as support, support, bounced as support, resistance. Now it's resistance again. It looks like you might have a rising wedge in there. So if this can't break above this level at about 19,468, you could see some downside out of Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin CME futures chart, 6 hour. Okay, plan A, plan B. Here it is. Execute one of these plans. We're looking, so first of all, the price action is in a descending triangle, 64% chance of a break to the downside. If you do get a bounce here and break out to the upside, you'll long that trade. You'll go long, right? Because the market's going against the probabilities. But understand, if the technical analysis probabilities play out and you get a break to the downside, you're looking for 18,000, 17,000, 16,000, much lower prices, right? So it's real simple. You long the bullish retest or you short the bearish retest. We're not trying to predict this. The reason why we kill it is because we just use Bitcoin as a driver to tell us, do we long or short the altcoins? I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. We had a bunch of shorts posted. Joe came out, Link 3x short, Galax 3x short, Vechain 3x short, Atom 3x short, banger after banger after banger. When you start making money and going both ways in this market, things change. It's that simple. Nailed EQZ for 27% profit. So I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, I want to mention the money I earned last time I was in the group. I was able to buy myself one of my dream cars and put my deposit down on my house. This is a marathon. We are here to change our lives forever. Generational wealth. You have the same opportunity as this gentleman. He bought his dream car. He put down a huge down payment on his house. This person reached out to me and he's like, yeah, I'm having a hard time trading, Chris. What do I do? I said, take some time off, clear your head. He took motivational profit. He made $1,384, $89 based on some time that he took off and traded this XRP trade. XRP obviously has been on fire. We're going to talk about that in just a second. Shout out to Rover. So I just added him to the team. I just hired him. He had 102% return on investment with this trade, 306% with this trade. He's up 4x just on 2 trades. He said, thank you. I never have to work again. I need ideas or advice. You can reach out to him. This person, $10,000 trade, huge trade. He said, thank you. You inspired me to believe. This market is a head game. You've got to be on top of things all the time. And when you're not, take a break. But $10,700, solid banger. So Sus Whale posted September the 19th, XRP retest idea, right? So right after that retest, I mean, we've seen 43% banger out of XRP. There's a lot of hype with court and potentially winning that case. And XRP is one of those coins, when it pumps, it's not always good for the entire market. And so again, a little bit more upside out of XRP. You have to remain cautious based on what the rest of the market is going to do. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This person, in 2.5 years, he made more than he would have made in 13 years of working a regular job. You do not deserve to be sitting at a desk or computer, assembly line, working for someone else, making them rich. It's given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. This is it. This is the ES1 exclamation point. This is going to call the next move. So here, look, real simple. You've got a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, break to the downside. Here you are. Now, bounce, bounce. Now you have some bullish divergence here. You have some bullish divergence. This thing is on support. And this, if you go back here and you look at these support levels, there's a bunch of support down here to hold the price action at this level. So you do not want to see price action break below this level. So if you go here and you can imagine that you get some sideways price action, there's a 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. 68% chance is a pretty high probability, but is there another drive lower and then we come down and break out? And so all these ideas, it's called confluence when you find the same ideas across multiple charts. Once you learn the terminology and the ideas that I use, you will make a ton of money in this market, period. DXY has been pumping. This is a beautiful textbook cup and handle. Broke out to the upside. I mean, your measured move up here will punish crypto, will punish the stock market. You'd want to see a weak dollar. You want to see this roll over, at least for a temporary period of time. Give the altcoins and Bitcoin a chance to move a lot higher. Right now, it's at resistance. You see how this ran up here, and essentially you've got support, support, right? So here we are again, support, now resistance, okay? So previous support becomes future resistance. So you have to pay attention to this idea because you do not want to see a strong dollar. The Fed, they jack the rates up. They're going to continue to do so. They're going to continue on purpose. They're dumping $95 billion a month of their assets on the market. Purposely, they are dumping the crypto market. They're dumping the stock market. They're dumping the markets, period. And so when that's happening, you have to wonder, how are these altcoins, crypto, and stocks going to be able to work higher? And it's so tough. And so definitely make sure you've got your short ideas, your short trades. Make a Kucoin account. You can find the 3x short coins on Kucoin, and we've been hitting some of our biggest trades on these shorts. There's no liquidation. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money, but the most important is you can make a lot of money with this idea. XRP is up 21% over the last 24 hours. 50%, which we nailed over the last week. XRP has been on fire, and we've nailed the entire move. This is the total altcoin market cap right here. And it all comes down to this. You've got a falling wedge, 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. But at what point? Okay, right now, you see I have this trend line drawn where it's been respected multiple times. And the bulls haven't been able to break back above it. So the question is, do you come down here, do you put in a double bottom or a lower low? You want a lower low with bullish divergence to give you an idea on a breakout to the upside. If that happens, like you can buy altcoins based on this idea before the actual breakout, but you have to understand, like, there's some basic ideas and terminology that goes into making a ton of money in this market. You're trading against the elite. You're not trading against a bunch of 7th graders that have no clue what they're doing. You've got to take things to the next level and learn what I can teach you. Ethereum is hanging by a string, but we've talked about how, you know, even though Ethereum lost this level, this level, this level, not amazing. But you've got this falling wedge, 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. But I mean, there's definitely room for sideways price action and then the bounce, and you got to be happy with just the bounce here. Ethereum had about a 30% pullback based on the ideas that we've been talking about with the proof of stake merge. And so now it's at a point where when you do get this breakout, that's great, but you don't want to miss the move in between the short-term range trading. You don't want to miss that. And so make sure, understand how to trade the range. You got to be charting these coins. I've got a whole group for beginners where we're critiquing and we're helping people become amazing traders. Nobody else is doing that, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.